Sumakrum enkane baby ana Grace Preparatory School no wona hwa wobetimi afre school mpainfo ewa homatrofo iso 0541 639371 ana 0243 112806.
Smart Effort College ana just be smart
and we will put in our effort.
Mema ahwefo ni etiefo nyina kwa baba Amuzu Beverages Enterprise na yedin se bia ba fe no Amuzu Bitters aka atopa 5000 bitters we yen san edi nubna krojen a how bie ni achiri yedi ahye na etiefo a omoteba me hodie duduo na beji Amuzu Co Herbs ekoshe omade no made bisu beji Amuzu Manpower Herbs na ma konoa anaso na kwose omunsa enne bakasa inuro mienu nyina bom atuni din Amuzu Bitters de koko hano so twa bi na kwani de ose ni be masem ahoodin wo fom se o twa 2 tot 3 tot na ahoodin no epeja no enam damrama eni ododua ayedi aka Amuzu Bitters winti oba bi ose oni atenka bema bia ose oni akono ne yire onya twa bia satenka anasa akono no ebeni enam se de pepre eni hwintia edi afrenti abre insano ne pampana no ase ma wutwa bia enyi wanum enti se ukodwabo bia ase na opese oni so ebo ni so kakra Amuzu Bitters why ebo ni so ba enyi wanum Amuzu Bitters to baako atopa bebre Amuzu Bitters obi a otiamia osi doctor adehs mekuliko dua so a biye mutim anase constipation ewo me so onya Amuzu Bitters twa woye besane kama obi te bu akohoma na so ye 7 favorite food a na ne kondo ne numu atro otimi nidi onya Amuzu Bitters twa akotwetwa petati na aba medre na wutimi ni no obedi akaboni kama Amuzu Bitters eyensa ehwemu yie pa enam se nnua na ye de afre ma hoodinti onomu a tipa bia ni akire se metwa Amuzu Bitters eche menye hangover bibia se ni ho se manom Amuzu Bitters ma ade achi hunam ye me ya dabi nnua na ye de ahyen sane nnua emma nipa hoodene ma insechi how setipa ye uhubi insaburachi how se memwai ha menye hangover no mi hubi we ya insa minya meka kudro so a menu akudro so a menu mu a how bia ni akire ye otiamia onu Bitters bia mu a no da no say na twa Amuzu Bitters na yede beba oba bia otiamia owo menstrual pains obuni se obre pa no onom Amuzu Bitters mesebo so meso a be ko fichire kama insan ya meka ho asem ehunya dene ne buo so nya dene se dodo pa na opetu dia no aba santase apampatia na wa frɛ na my 0247 776743 0247 776743 Amuzu Bitters ekoye
Liberty FM
92.7, the giant of the West.
Liberty FM.
Indicate this is the shots.
Liberty FM.
The ground a little bit early on. Claude Leroy having a conversation there with the great Sadio Mane. Two great men when it comes to African football.
Yes.
I wonder what that conversation was, but it was probably you got to get them back out here. We can't have it end like this from Claude Leroy.
Yeah, I mean, Sadio was not going to go inside there. He made up his mind that he's going to stay on the pitch, and I think that if every team have to work off the pitch because of the bad decision in this tournament, then some of the team will left the AFCON long time ago. So we cannot just base our football on one decision of a referee.
I mean, this is something you can never forget. What you saw.
Yeah, of course you can't. And also it helps as well because he's got so much respect from his peers. He has won everything, and he's a superstar. And
Kumo kumo na meninsa obi abenya ne bia kejaku manijingu kumo ejana so kumo ejana so kumo sayabana ejana so kumo ejana so Arabia Adia kumo minimsa kukuso shesha kumo anadana umba chicha kumo na minimsa obi abanya ne dia kejagumi manijingu kumo ejana so kumo ejana so kumo sayabana ejana so kumo ejana so fireball rastaman.
Okay, ameno aso rastaman yatia sikrom agodia mu nsam emre aso ye latest update pa na ohwe sade esetia ene Tuesday eti yema obibia enso akwaba emfam na PM Power Sports so yenya trase de ye latest nkoa any update ene tipa ewe twemade so ene awie samhwembe na sima edu enkro enso timi abapa chese no mieno tenya trase de na chese kode mu latest nkoa ene yatrasa yeti April enso abia na oswo timi aka ne UEFA Champions League 19th day sansanomian sanya game abeshase na chese yede rom enso anwumre na se 8 dia kanyina enso timi atosame atoma watchna Wednesday watch games enso betimi atoso UEFA Champions League no ene yato nkomo enso epetimi etiapa na ene ohwa chese transfer enso latest kakra enso ha PSB enso etime movo epinso etime renew omo contract na latest for Pantia ye Vinicius Junior latest for Pantia Vinicius enso ha eti ye Petre Saje enema so petime Vinicius Saudi club stay womo tata kwadano ye betwese omo so bejano amana kwana na openia ye Asawinga enso kasa adia fa afkona etotwa no ho ye de wonsam enso ebepa na ya hwe Senegal wo muguso a omo celebrate sanse omagin chese afkona je enso time paye pa eti ye betwe na te wonsam no enso adia totwa afisam no ene openia ye Henry Asante Twum communication director at the Ghana Football Association what ensam edi yatotwa yabekwa sante konoko enso ensam horma yate wonsampi enso betinda bel ewo twemade sanima enso atime kama days and many more ene na yatrasia yeba betewon kamo na ya hwe sede enema esetie ewo twemade so sede nansen yense no yatrasia ya fotere corners or any question about sports now it's about makacha sa question or the question ba for question ultimate say yes question we will be saying obi our interest ewom na just say yes you to be the answer and so atimi blow ay 053630 4072 053630 4072 0322 296342 0322 296342 ayedi pa miensa ene ye for me for say makona ya kofan kofokoso nsam no enso edi aba any moment from now obetimi afe na wodo answer anasa question enso atimi aba na wodo question enso atimi aba 0536 30 40 72 0322 296342 ma memfa okay we no ontimi agina so me ba to ba me se memfa se an yemfa hwa eti obetimi afa quick na chese yesu yakona yedi jumadi no enso atimi aba ma memfa me first caller. Hello. Okay. Hello, Benny Cassie.
Oh, the bosses of the bosses.
Oh, hey, Figo.
Drums is saying.
Fiku boko sa so ya de.
Oh, na me adu mo na mpa to me de mo problem kakra.
Mami ntie we question me na wo.
Question na me wanna say. If pa ye Ghana football ye pese ko ya na senko yi. Asama ni bisa no. Baby America mo ntema see. You any player there ko hwa no park so.
Na say about Uche.
Mitio.
About your Ghana Premier League and I say national teams no.
Oh, them say we do na then too much so there munchaso na munchaso. I mean come on.
Okay. Eti enu fiku. Once the question was Ghana. Your leg no and I say football be ya say enye. Be ba chawo dum be okasafi.
Confirm asoma mi kase fla dam pa.
Be ba chawo asoma bi ntie question e.
Yo, de ni busa ni say. Say true can not true power ball. Say ye free mo na say that's all.
Okay. Nice one. A nice question pa. Asuma me da se pa. Okay. Ma memfa me last questionnaire. Be ba chawo do be okasafi.
Prof, good afternoon.
Yes sir, be ba chawo di.
But me dey Kamo me ka say
Kamo apotu se won ye de.
Ani Prof na anwa you get what you go to na. Now we that time no go to what here.
Oh, enwa wante, enwa wa yakora pam no wante. Ene ye ba putu.
Sa.
Ne be do ba putu.
Na ba nte nka na matopa na ma o dia komoji.
Ba mi nche question.
Prof me asem bisa me person bisa say. And then you will say, Ghana Premier League now, you're going to see bidding while you're something said you're only a tango kotoko.
Mebacho, per word for you soon, young Quasasem. No, may you soon Quasasem per word for you soon. I mean, your question ye.
No, Bacho, any of me from Suena. There is a person besides a wealthy young from Suena.
Yes. Okay.
I said, Yadimo,
Mate. Me da se pa eti Kamo enso e question no o se say in case referee bi enso eye ebia enema bia yeni any punishment enso the man that particular referee buga obi aba so menfa na me say Barnabas protocol ma menfa Barnabas. Hello
Barnabas
yes Barnabas ma ho ma me ntie o quick na na enye protocol ti ba fall na me fa ni pa me say but what can one nine ma me ntie question me ba cho question e ba ko pe bisa ba ko pe
Arsenal Europe 12% no moaje min England ho
Matthias
Champions League
yes
Europa League
yeah
Conference League
Matthias pa
12% no moaje
okay me da se pa me say only one question Barnabas obi about protocol o bucha two questions question e bako ene ye bi say okay nice yenya nipa nine and the questions no yes yenya nipa nine bu gati
opening
be wa se boko de
yes somebody was for pa chairman so you okay there
oh nyamia to be de
nyamia se pa
ye program kakra yes my family eneminya four callers
yes four callers so far but ene the protocol nti be
ya miensa ene
protocol ti and that's the obi antenna so di yes ba and I me dey say on say professor dey nti e ma dey say edition we ba and say ye analysis nsem wo ho a ye ne bia ba ne ya ka but bia na wo fie ne ma bi so che wa adwen ebi ni say we odi ba busa say true ni say ne ma na ma ye ho na say ni wo no say analysis na ebi wo ba be wuram bet enye common say bia be ba so but wo fie dia bi che wa adwen we kura ade na mi hunu bi but what the bar
ebi say loss of the game on say you 18 loss
the bia ne
say cramp we be count because yenya goal technology mu na 80 once ya analysis na yes on team fair no machine but so we say bia true law number saying those laws on the sun man ni nyina your questions amount for to meet maybe say
so far say o share no na na sim amount for te yen question answers na sentino ye be call this ya ni bia so de ba ye be try say ye answers na be mo ti po fo ko ba ya
okay
ye be ho adwuma so me tie fo
me da se pa 80 me ba sisi ya
Are you ready? Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to
Wo eti abusia yankona yankofo latest no emfamo nkofo koso na yenhwese de enema se kona ensu ye Tuesday eti ene Tuesday mu amu market amafo bia kuma wo mo so ti monitor ayesho no eti wayemfa nchema mu nyina ya chamu ti chi no bia nso ntem yakama na menhye se dia mo menhye se emfamfi ayefoma kocha na okochi ayepoboku a ye fi aye Chelsea ye fi Mauricio Sarri na papa samo mo mekano anansamo mo timonto pania ye fe Mauricio Sarri papa ina diamond for the kaniepa aye jotom cigarette won fa cigarette eni agokra na papa nso timi twabi wotimi twisan wo jamukumu na enijin wose yem fan to say ene chesese finally ene osisi cigarette no wose wa janom na ene o memfa breakdown enso for me wose edebia na wonum HSN ayi cigarette ayi sister ayi pieces edebia ayi sister pieces no ono penia ye fe Mauricio ayi sorry enso temnyom na a week no na so come a week ayi 420 pieces eno no penia ye fe Mauricio sorry enso etemnyom na on a month no 1,680 pieces and no benia ye fe Mauricio sorry and so etemnom na on a year na se afibako onum 30,160 pieces et openia ye fe Mauricio sorry na a bentem so totum dia na oye campaign eti ote Ghana na woso Daud gen oye number 1 one kasa Daud woni ndum yi partia na chese wonto pania ye fe Mauricio ayesari na ene wose 10 na at the end of the day wose Daud nom wacha poda wie sense soko hospital masa na chese omo machine so na omo yi na kuma ebe to television so chana na otim say yes na kuma no emu so teme boronto kontoko etayate otieba etisesede woni cigarette eton konta omopai ene bema bayibi wan bayina etopenia ye fe Mauricio sense ene woni cigarette eton konta omo so teme bai etwe kakra efe penia ye fe Mauricio Sarri ayi former coach edemontima ye fe Chelsea ene sense we to mete wasam tele datwini ponyankopon se paise watawi wano tesen wete aye Daud no wase wata Daud ete wure ye tanyamia sipa ama sese pano enso tebia jano mamembla kafe na minya tuwa ka enso kaf ene afkono Put away, says account pemprati, aka and summer, just after afternoon, and as after Mafa, we after Afcon, Massa, and some sort to be a seepa, ye and your secretary, ne any openia, what take fano, ye firm Patrick Mochampi, and then Oseum fun to say, and then what a proposal, and sort to rapport, say and Yamia Tuma, a Afcon, and could propose a 4 years and in Capeti Mapono, Nanki a drum marching. I just say, ye drum march as Africa say, a you word capital, Nanki even so Timia Koye, where a proposal, and a penia, ye film Mauricio and a penia, ye film Patrick Motempe, and so Tepai. Now, near Tosumino was saying Africa Cup National. Sese jamia tuma 2029 I was say anyone so to be koye was the format no I was see a timi sano now with the new format and so to me pa it way as a new proposal or penny and so to pay na and I was saying fun to say was it price money no jamia tuma next edition I was say almost so pe jamu kama na anima and so to be koye this year na a 10 million US dollars Timothy Omaya, your first Senegal, and so much woman $10 million, and says Senegal, and so the coffee. Now, almost say, Namia to Nessa Dashi, almost so Petra Jessica, ne anyone so to be a quay, Namia to man, are you 2027? Tessa Omaya Frank Kenya. Tanzania and Uganda and soon a petty also na ya trekantra omunso petty miakote and Samoa omunso petty miako and was saying Yami Tuma after 2027 that's a 2028 edition and also a fake on be built and a wine as a counter one so person what chit pet and so timi also one so petty mapa not just omunso timapa pekama near me to 2028 Africa come nation and so timia to draw it we and summer for penia ye fem patrick motempe and sasuipa and I'm a tawa some and so tamao I want to money so and was seeing fun to say I ain't 10 tournament ya poro was what came was it 10 tournament no just any inches ultimate kankwa and I notice a calf apple any countries na almost so mutimi any qualification even possible potese your qualification na bema ana enye kaketwa na sa wo qualify na ko tournament na enye kaketwa ni mumno enkanti amon pesa safo se PS potatoes among for betwe na so 10 tournament sadu compare AFCON na ultimate se when a deal for yipa et AFCON yenye a lot of potatoes name of so quarter tournament na ayana amount for and a local base players now and a bottom tournament was see what bantan and a domai and so tbs 10 time was it 10 tournament now what tom way ayo benia ye fem Patrick Motempe once leaders a finance parliament once no and so tia to ta e want to money so and e kutia o coach omoyan your friend Senegal defending champions one who NSSNO social just entered AFCON Timotota one Senegal mano energy no penia ye fem papetio and reporter pamikaya na tesempo final Saturday to be na se pele peye mo pe sa ene toja na omusin a disgrace etema African football and FIFA essential disgrace etema it is a word football eti papai and so petty mania it is a massive suspension just a punishment on one penia ye fem papi tia no masa na so petty meshipa omuso mon fanswa na any person na just a omuko dressing room and so almost pay massive punishment. It is Senegal manager almost pay butter. It's almost saying and the only person yes okay yes or car park and someone come one qua and any punishment. No no what just a one casano what's a matrama crane and a pay mobile ya called dressing room was so a pay it comes saying almost penny ayechese omukochero na chese omuto presra almost what timenya cha suspension na chese ne mon so timya koyi na ayense na ho enso tema it's Africa football etwe kakra for permit one salon enso tia tuta na abantia ye ayechese Stanley in Wabali ay goalkeeper etemo omea ye fe Nigeria na after AFCON no debate to say o make us tama na Nigeria and o mea ya fa Morocco e pokem no on say normally players no o mutawo bia o muyisu na in Wabali e tawo no kotoa na boys no o ma betam o no kotoa no betam to say e ha na after say Morocco and so anti-mini AFCON and a banter and so much say was he use all my towels to wipe away your tears and or sit down now or my film Morocco et so mamo among 14 some for some ma just I say I saw who some ye bad and that town now just a book for be a monte or mountain pieces and from my film Morocco and just a team for beer and from Panini so not just anyone so to me come on and Morocco bema na ocho days of Korea na nkofe ewa tam for ye ba wait me tam for jama minko wode bisa keita nyuno en so te pe so Morocco na amon fotom ye ba na openia ye fe answeringa wase yem fun to say wase on memo bia na this AFCON just Morocco en so antebia jero na Morocco enya tam for ye ba wase the entire countries omo qualify omo nso ntimian qualify na so bia against omaya ye fete se Morocco say nso petimian win this AFCON since a jealousy obekaya the year 2022 wakata wamoko semi-final World Cup and also this time around say any competition bia Morocco ewobro masa obotemiko enso etemiko ji na atosha and 20 World Cup Morocco akwaji et winner a jealousy as African almost jealous somewhere ye Morocco enso timia was standard tournament o tim say yes na awmekaye pa et winner ka hon somewhere for Africa say Africa for no woman so timi against somewhere ye fa ehese Morocco yipa na wo see what the congratulation kase pa atima omai Morocco since we one of the most successful tournament almost etimi wo see et we former coach ye fa answer winger and some kakra wo to after ehese World Cup pro and after AFCON and me te one some enso temao e wo twumode so anya saketaka we ayen some kakra fopa mete wansap enso tia total e wo tumade so min kompatia ya Vinicius Junior na Vinicius e player wo second temotima ya Real Madrid na apprenti contract on sansamo aye BCBC basa aye pompontwi aye ensempi and a report obekaya Lancia and a Saudi undisclosed team and sort of a pass a bunch of Vinicius omiya kwatano na aye 20 million euros almost a bunch of the boy across no just a sima almost so better for bantia ye Vinicius Junior and so na ate kontai and a report to a pass Saudi almost so kamo bia almost so krobusam aye 200 million euros sikan kromose do moko ponsa ewa yase enti obetin and something airbai if Saudi Arabia almost bama ponsa pai sansa about finish on trouble buy kromusam 200 million euros enti obetin na almost betting tiatase abusafo mu kofomwe na mon first touch and changing informative no adas info esomwa almost ponsa wete and then some portier a transfer contract on portier for Vinicius now compotoma at the most Saudi and yet never get say that particular team still a own disclose yenyahu team no it is a pair somewhere mina just one obeto Vinicius and cost of the dia na message so pomwa obeti ayeyese obesi ay Etihad obesi ay Tawan obesi ay tima na sa it stay yenyahu team running campia and so petmet dem report to say Real Madrid rejected that offer. Your mother bunch of Vinicius to wake a cry, a 4 parliament to once and so tita na